Hello, I'm Wendy with an I, and if you want to know how to make this super delicious, super easy, cheesy chicken pasta, then please keep watching. What you will need to make this super easy, super delicious, cheesy chicken pasta is chicken, of course. I like to use the chicken tenderloins, but you can use canned chicken or any other kind of chicken you like. Now, if you used canned chicken, this will take you less than 20 minutes to do, actually. Or if you already have your chicken boiled and done like the night before, and when you go to make this, super easy, super fast. But I'm doing the chicken tenderloins. And you'll also need Velveeta or your brand of cheese melt, whatever you like to use. And this is 1 pound. You'll need 2 cans of cream of chicken and 1 can of Rotel or a can of diced tomatoes and green chili. And you'll need some extra wide egg noodles. And this is a 16-ounce bag of egg noodles. You can also use spaghetti noodles, which I do sometimes, and we call it chicken spaghetti instead of chicken pasta. But guys, tonight I am not going to do this full thing because my daughter just informed me she's not going to be home for dinner, so my husband and I do not need this huge pot of this, but this is one of our favorites and it does get eat up when everyone's here. But I'm going to half this, and I actually already had a half a bag of the egg noodles, and I actually had a half a pound of Velveeta left in my fridge. So I'm gonna be using this. But if you like leftovers or you have a bigger family, then absolutely I would make all of this, and I would be using all of this. Now I put 6 tenderloins in here to boil. I prefer it boiled over baked. And I boil it for about 45 minutes. Some think that's too long, but that's fine. I'm Wendy, and I like to make sure my chicken is done. But however much chicken you want to do, that's completely up to you. So if you like a lot of chicken, great. If you don't like a lot of chicken, that's great too. Or you can leave the chicken out completely. This is still so good with or without chicken. And then I just picked up some mini croissants at the bakery. This is completely optional if you like bread with your pasta. Any kind of bread you like, you can have it, but we're gonna have these tonight because I was at the bakery and I picked these up. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. For each can of cream of chicken, I use 1 can of milk, and that makes it so nice and creamy. Okay, my chicken's done boiling, so I'm going to get it out of this water so it can be cooling off. And what I do, this is 1 pot, right? So then in this boiling water, and sometimes I have to add a little more, just depends. But in this boiling water, I'm going to put my egg noodles. And egg noodles are super quick to make. They only boil for about 8 minutes. So I only had 6 tenderloins, so I got them off. And now I'm going to put my egg noodles in here, but I'm not using the whole bag. Like I said, it's just my husband and I tonight, so I'm gonna do this half a bag. Okay, the egg noodles are in. They're gonna boil for 8 minutes. The egg noodles are done. I'm going to go drain the water out of them and return them to the pot, and then we're going to add everything. I'm going to return this to medium heat so we can get that going. That all heating up, and stir that up. And I'm going to add my cheese. Okay, while all of this is melting, I've had my chicken over here while the egg noodles were boiling, and I just kind of broke it in halves to let it cool off because I do hand shred this and it's hot when it first comes out of the pan. So it's pretty cool now. So while all this is melting, what I'm gonna do is just start shredding the chicken and putting it in the pan. What I'm doing now is waiting for the cheese to melt, and then we will be ready to eat. It's all melted. Look at that. One pot. Yes, you don't have very much to clean up. All right, let's plate it so we can eat. We like to use our pasta bowls for this. There it is. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is so good. I'm gonna heat up a couple of these mini crescent rolls and we are going to eat. So thank you so much for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a wonderful day. Be sweet.